Okay, so this week we're going to be making 10 frames. And the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is how we're going to make the 10 frame on our paper here. So when I make 10 frames, I'm going to have my two colored markers here. I'm going to use one of the markers to start making the 10 frames. So I make a rectangle, then I draw a line straight down the middle. And to make 10 boxes, I need to do 4 evenly spaced lines. So I do 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I count, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. I'm going to make 6 of these boxes before I even start the activity, so I don't have to keep making them. So I do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll make another one. Don't worry if they don't come out perfect. This is a skill that might take you a little while to get really good at. You can see some of my boxes are bigger and some are smaller. So don't be upset if some of your boxes don't come out right. This is great practice on how to make 10 frames. So you go straight down the middle and then try and evenly space out 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. I'll do it again. Make my rectangle, a line down the middle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And finally, I'll come to my last one. I put a line straight down the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. So, using my two markers, I am going to roll the dice and I am going to represent the two numbers using two different colors in the 10 frame. So here are my two dice. I roll and I've got a 1 and a 4. So I'll do 1 in blue and then I'll do 4 in green. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can use my pencil or I could just use the marker and I can write an addition sentence here. I could say 1 blue plus 4 green. Altogether, I can tell that that is 5 filled in my 10 frame here. Okay, let's go on to the next one. 2 and 1. So if I have 2 blue plus 1 green, I know I have 2 plus 1 equals 3. Let's try the next one. Bigger numbers, big numbers, big numbers. Okay, here we go. 3 and 4. So I'll do 3, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to add 4 green. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And looking at my 10 frame, I can tell that I have 3 missing. So I have 7 altogether because 3 and 4 equal 7. When you look at numbers in these 10 frames, you can start to easily recognize, like if the top row is all filled, you know that is 5 there and 5 are missing to make a 10. 5 and 5 make 10. So drawing in a 10 frame really helps you see those numbers, see your 10s, see what numbers combine to do that. Okay, let's do 3 more. But like I said, you could do this 6 to 8 times more if you'd like. Whoops, 6 and a 1 and a 6. So I do 1 blue. And I want you to pay attention that when I'm filling in my 10 frame, I do the top row and then I go to the bottom row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 6 green equals 7. And you can see here, 3 and 4 is 7. I had 3 empty boxes. And 1 and 6 also equaled 7. And I have 3 empty boxes here. Let's try another one. 1 and 4. I already did that one. I'm going to go again. I want to change it up. 6 and 1. I'm going to do this one again. Let's see if I can get something better. How about this one? It's kind of cheating here. 4 and 6. So I'm going to do 4 blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 6 green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what do we find out? 4 and 6 is one way to make a full 10 frame. 4 plus 6 equals 10. All right, let's try one more, but I'm going to show you, this could happen to you while you're playing it. So I'm going to kind of make this one on purpose. A 5 and a 6. Let's see what happens when I have 5 and 6. So I'm going to do 5 blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6 green. Uh-oh, Mrs. Finn, you only have 5 squares left. What are you going to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my 6th one, I want you to just put down here. Because 5 and 6 is more than 10. 5 and 6 is actually 11. So you can see my 10 frame and one more actually equals 11. And then underneath that, I will also write my equation. 5 plus 6 equals 11. So if you're rolling the dice and you get more than 10, make sure you utilize down here so you can show, yeah, I made a 10 frame plus one more is 11. We just kind of want you to start seeing and really visualizing the numbers together. And there's many different ways, many different combinations to get the same numbers. All right, this is your non-tech activity for the week.